Actually, his is real good. Actually, let him look at, sorry, this one. And if you look at the capital spell, can you see the different layers of the, you're looking right at this edge right there. Yeah. And then, why don't you turn this so you can see the board, what I wrote up on the board. So, we talked about how we know we start with this, but because potassium gives up one electron and copper gives up two, therefore you can end up with potassium nitrate and copper iodide with an I2, but only one of these nitrates over here. So we had to put twos in here to balance it, which said, when I have twice as much potassium iodide, that's copper nitrate, that's when I should get the most precipitate, which falls out. And this is when 4 to 2 is 2 to 1. So, well, 2 is where we expect that to happen. And for the second part, I told you have to figure out yourself, knowing these charges that are here, you have to figure out when sodium switches to place and then you get sodium nitrate, you get calcium oxalate, how many of the calcium oxalate atoms there are, and how many of the sodium and the nitrate.
So this works.
Next week we'll talk about the second part, how to balance, which is very similar to what we just did, and therefore which well we expect. What well was it? Was it the third well that had, on the second one that had the most? Or I couldn't tell?
I think it was the fourth.
Mine was the fourth.
Okay.